Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to reopen your Etsy shop. So as for today's video, I will be talking to you on how you can reopen a shop that you have closed. Now closing a shop is not really deleting a shop, so you still have the opportunity to get your shop back and to go through the old setting and contacting your clients process. So how can we really reopen our shop? Well, it's very simple, as you will see here. So to reopen a shop, if you closed, so you will need to understand that there is a difference between a shop that is closed and a shop that is suspended. If your shop is suspended by Etsy, you need to know how to reinstate your shop and basically contact the support team so you can fix the problems and the issues within your shop. Otherwise, if your shop is simply closed, then sign into Etsy.com on a desktop or laptop computer, because you cannot complete this process on mobile browser or the Etsy seller app. Then select your account icon, go to account settings and select closed shop. Select your reopen shop, and if you have a credit card on file, take a moment to make sure your billing information is correct. You may want to check to see if any of your listings are expired while you were away and that your billing card is up to date. And it's very simple, as you can see guys, just few steps, as you can see, 6 of them, and some kind of check-in if your orders are expired or your listings. And yeah, that was basically it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment. That was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.